Hello and welcome to the Travel Experts web page. Today I'm just gonna explain what are the functionalities and the tabs and what the whole homepage it has, and then also I'll explain quickly about the functionalities that were included in each exercise in the assignment. So to start with, so this is the homepage. It has these tabs: home, about, team, register, contact, gallery. Also, you can see here the logo and the title. I also added these social media tabs. If you click on this, this is the Tumblr, and this is the Snapchat page. This is the Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, but is Facebook page. So essentially, these will be linked to the account of the travel experts. Then you can see how the when you hover on these mouses, the picture or the color changes. Also, I'm just gonna quickly go through the tabs here for the navigation bar. We have about the page here. Also team. Quickly here, description about the team members. Register, which I will go through in details. I'll do some showcasing and testing for the register. Contact, which has that the get in touch, the address, and then the phone number and email. Also, the customer can also contact by sending a message through the message box here. And gallery, and also I'll mention how the gallery works, the functionalities added to the gallery, and what it has. So again, going back to the homepage, so this is the homepage. So I added this background, which is a little bit dark here, just and added the text on top of the background. Also, see how when you hover on this tab, it becomes a little bit darker. Change the color. So this will be essentially linked to the packages, which is not ready yet, but it will be ready with the second part. For now, I linked it to the contact. Also, I added this nice button, so it just brings you back to the top of the page. Again, yeah, that's what it looks like for my homepage. Just scrolling quickly here through my homepage. Again, these are these tabs also would link to the packages, which will be added later, like I mentioned, and this one too. Everything here will be linked to the packages. Okay, so in here I use the combination of customized CSS styles, Bootstrap and WordPress, which control the font sizes, colors, etc. So now next I'll be moving to the register page, which I will be talking about what the functionalities are in this register page, which has username, first name, last name, email, password, repeat the password. So when you hover on these, actually it tells you what you need to do. So hover in and out. Phone number, address, city, and then province, and then postal code. And we have you can submit, reset, or sign in if you want, if you are already a customer. So quickly here, I'm just gonna fill this, which I already have it filled previously, just to save time. So I'm just gonna quickly use wrong email address to start with. Enter password. Phone number, I'm going to use wrong phone number for now. Address, city, and here also you have the functionality to choose your province. Let me choose wrong postal code. So also here when you click submit, it shows you here that are you sure you want to submit the form? Click OK. Now it's going to check and go back and see what you made mistakes in the form. So in here, first thing is we need to fix the email address. So make it at gmail.com. This should work. And then for password is okay. Now let's check again, submit. It's complaining about the phone number. It needs to have the correct format. So there's two problems here. That doesn't have the dashes, and also it's not the right format here. So we do this, this. So also notice here this is 5 letters, it should be 5 numbers, should be 4. So let's see, submit again. Yeah, it's complaining. So let's just take that out. So now it has 3, 3, 4. So now submit again. It's good. So now the only thing it's complaining about is the postal code, which doesn't have the right format. See if we put the postal code to the right format and submit again. There. Now essentially this action page would actually link to some action.php or the action.html, which essentially will transfer the information to the website. I used here a get method instead of the I used the post method instead of the get method because it's more secure. Also, I wanted to showcase the reset button. So when you click on the reset, it says, "Do you want to reset the form?" Yes, I wanted to reset that. So that's it for the registration. Next, I'm going to be moving on for the gallery, which this will include I think that's for the last exercise 6 and 7, I think. So basically, I created images that loop through the array, and each image will have the description below it. Also, so that would have the mouse click handler that calls a function to open the window and then close it. So I'm just going to show quickly here. So as you can see, the images are looping through and with their descriptions. Also added these 2 buttons, so if you want to go next or previous through the images. So another thing I'm going to show here is when you click on the actual description or the image, it goes to another, opens a window, and then it's going to close in a few seconds. Another thing here, I could do it for this one too. Opens the window, and then now it's going to close in a second. I can do it for this one too. Same thing here, and closes in a second. Yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to, this is what I wanted to show quickly here. Thanks for your time.